Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Taurus. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Three of Spheres in reverse, Five of Stars in reverse, and Three of Suns. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work, or maybe in your relationship. So, today you feel really, tired and stressed, maybe. You have done so much, made a lot of efforts, but you are not seeing changes in your circumstances, maybe in your work. You have put in a lot of efforts, but not much change is happening. And that may be the reason you feel this way. You feel tired, sick, and tired of the way things are going for you. So, for some of you, you are just taking a break, maybe taking time off from work, spending some time alone, maybe trying to detox yourself, feeling stressed. You are too stressed today, guys. And you are trying to relieve yourself of all that stress. And maybe you are changing emotionally and you are uh, feeling a great relief or some kind of an emotional detox today, guys. In your circumstances, maybe you are taking time off from work, maybe for some of you. For some of you, you have people who are supporting you, who are, appreciating your skills and ideas, and they are uh, really praising you for your efforts. So, whatever you have done till now, maybe that may not have given you the expected results, but hard work always pays off, guys, Taurus. So, you need to understand that. So, even in this relationship, maybe with this person, you are building a good understanding, building a strong foundation with this person, and you are doing it with based on trust and honesty. That may be the reason things may uh, work well for you guys. Maybe you may have some problems, you may have some difficulties in your relationship. Something may not be right. You may feel that you may feel lost, or you may feel that lack of that emotional connection with this person. But whatever it is, guys, if you are questioning yourself honestly, you will know the answer. So, what needs to be done today in this relationship? That answer is right within you, guys, Taurus. So, for your relationship, we have Six of Stars in reverse. So, maybe this may be the time you need to wait. Maybe you feel a little, that lack of emotional connection we were speaking about. The reason maybe this person may not be, interested in you guys. Maybe they have something to confess to you. and they are, what to say, they have something in their heart. Maybe they are interested in someone else, maybe for some of you guys, and that may be the reason for the lack of that emotional connection. So they do not feel that connect with you. That may be the reason you feel this way with this person. So they will reveal to you what is the truth, what is the reason for them feeling this way. But if that is not the case, if they are not telling you anything, even they are here with you and they want to make this relationship work, this may not be the time for you to make any important decisions, guys. You need to just wait and see where things are going and wait for these circumstances to resolve. So all that stress, all that feelings of loneliness or confusion, whatever it is, it needs to clear up before you make some important decision for this relationship, guys, Taurus. So for your career situation, we picked one card. It is Five of Moons in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your work situation, whatever was what to say, whatever went wrong or whatever did not happen, maybe the projects or the assignments, whatever did not reach completion, that may reach completion, guys. So some kind of a positive transformation in your career situation, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys, today. So in your circumstances, each and every one of us, we see the same event differently because our point of view is different, guys. So we need to know that. And if we want to change the way we are, we must change the way we perceive things and maybe the understanding that comes with it. So we are telling a story to ourselves, something of the past, and we are focused on certain things and we are creating a story for ourselves, for our life, for our past. So whatever it is, when we change the way we see our circumstances, the way we perceive, so even that story is going to change dramatically, guys. And today you need to change the story of your relationship, guys. So over time you have come to a conclusion that this is what has happened, or this is you and this is that other person. So today you must be brave and ready to see the truth, ready to see your circumstances, see your past or maybe your present from a different point of view. So that is going to give you a better clarity, and you should be able to acknowledge your mistakes and all that good things you have done. Maybe the remarkable things that you did in your past. So, reframing the past, what has happened, is going to help you move forward with a greater wisdom and strength. So, if you want a relationship, guys, you must rewrite the past, that story what you have in your mind, and do it only with the details that focus on your strengths and your good things, not on that shortcomings and not on challenges whatever you faced, guys, in your life, in your past. So you must keep your focus on that positive attributes you had, and even that past person has had. So that is going to change the way things were in your past, and that way you will be able to heal, and you will have a lighter sense of feeling in your heart. You will feel really light and relieved when you do that, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you want a better relationship in your future, in your present, you need to do this, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is a person, a thing, or some kind of circumstance in your situation that is simply acting like a huge weight on your shoulders, pulling you down, pushing you down, holding you back instead of helping you to move forward. But you need to understand that there is divine grace waiting to unfold in your life today, guys. But you need to be free of these shackles, whatever is holding you back, and feel that confidence and strength in your heart. So your intuition will be guiding you today, guys. It may be telling you what you need to do. So maybe there is someone trying to control you, control your actions, or control your decisions today. Sorry, guys, decisions today. So whatever it is, it may be a person or your circumstance, whatever it is, you need to overcome that. You need to feel that release happening, guys. So when we give up on some things, when we release some things, whenever we are forced to do that, maybe you will feel that urge to move away from this control. So you have that some kind of a subconscious intuition to move away from the situation or away from this person. So when that happens, you need to understand that there is a divine blessing waiting to unfold in your life, guys. That is what is happening to you now. So there are better things waiting to fill your life, waiting to manifest in your life, and that is the reason this circumstance is being pushed away from you. That is causing a lot of pain for you, lot of fear. So you should not hold back just for the fear of what will happen in your future. So that is a great breakthrough waiting for you, guys. So you need to take this strong steps towards that. So first thing to do that is to give up this control that you feel in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have monthly reading in my other channel, and I'll be sharing the link in the description, guys, so you can watch that video in that channel, guys. And please subscribe if you like the reading. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.